This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It is January 2nd, 2020. So in here I gotta go change a boiler out. I was there a few days ago and lady had called me with a circulator issue. It was making all kinds of noise. They shut the boiler off. Well, they weren't living at the house. They go check on it every couple of weeks. So what happened was the feeder was off and there was no water in the boiler, obviously. I didn't find this out till after, after I did all the work. And it should have been a telltale sign when I seen the gauge burnt and the wires fried on the front of the boiler. I should have checked that, but I didn't. But anyway, we're going over there and swapping the boiler's junk. I mean, the thing was fried, cooked. You know what happens if someone's living in a house? They'll hear all kinds of banging noise. They'll call somebody. If it's making steam, it'll be banging like hell. But if they're not living there and the thing steams out, banging, making flipping steam, running, and no one's living there, they don't know about it. That's what happened here.
In 1/2 mile, turn left.
It's not good to leave a house vacant like that, not living in it, and check on it. You know, I mean, somebody's living there and it starts making noise and stuff. You know about it. You call somebody. Anyway, try to get you some shots. I open up all the bleeders upstairs. No water in the boiler at all. Wow. She's fried. Not a drop of water in it. Ain't that sad? Alright, so I gotta mark all these. This is gonna be the basement. Then I got second and I got first. I'll label them all. Let's mark second there. I got all the thermostat wires marked. First, second, and basement. I got the wiring disconnected. Got the gas disconnected. Now I gotta start chopping all this stuff out of here. Probably just gonna cut it like this. Boom, boom. I got it all marked here. The return. This is second return. This is first return. This is the basement. And then the basement supply. And then this tees off up top there, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm just gonna cut it here. Supply for now. Get all this out of here. And get ready for the guy to come with the new boiler. Alright, I got it all stripped down, ready to go. All the stuff is... I got the gas and electrical out of the way. I'm probably just going to spin this thing. We'll grab it from the back here. It's a little less... It'll fit right through the door over there. I put all cardboard down. Put cardboard down on that side. The new one's going to have the control and everything on this side also, so I just got to get it's going to be a lot smaller boiler. This boiler's way oversized. I'll put a little smaller boiler in here, tie in the chimney. I'll have to do something with an expansion tank. I'm thinking maybe put a T off of that. Boom, we'll see. I got cardboard here. So we don't make a mess. I got speedy dry down to pick up the stuff. What a shit show. It's going out that way. Alright, so I got all the circulators over here. Came out with 3 new circulators. 2 1-inch returns, use 45s. This basement return, I put a purge. Well, it's basically no cast iron. No cast iron on the first and second floor. Put a new 911S in there. I just tied in on a supply here. It came up 1.5 by 1.25 reducer. I just came copper. That's the basement. Put a new high vent there. Just tied a couple of 90s in. Reused that piece with that 45 on it. New smoke pipe. There was a liner in the chimney. I just put a 7x5 because it was 7-inch before. The thing was way oversized. Gas pipe. I just came over and tied it in. A couple of 90s. Couple of 90s right in. I got my drip right there. Electrician put a got a 3-zone control. Electrician put the power over here. Comes over the top. Everything's into this junction box that feed all the circulators. And the current control got the high relief valve. And I also got the 90 drain right down alongside the boiler there. I gotta come back in the morning and double check it. I did purge all the radiators, but I gotta pick up all the cardboard and pick up all the speedy dry. By tomorrow it'll be dry. I'll come back in the morning and do it. Put all cardboard down so I don't ruin nothing. Long day. I'll put the doors back. I'll put the doors back tomorrow. I'll come back in the morning and pick up the rest of the stuff. I'm going to do a combustion test on this unit. Back here the next day, picked up all the stuff in the cardboard. First equals first, second equals second, and third is the basement. That's the way it is up there. Right around 9% is what we want for the oxygen. That's good. We're fine right there. See the ppm's 23. That passes. Don't need that for the permit.
Anything happen?
Yeah, so combustion test boiler complete. Alright, and then that little light over there, I'll shut that off. And
Yep.
you know, you're gonna leave these doors closed or open?
Probably closed.
Yeah.
It shouldn't matter. Right?
Shouldn't,
I can go around.
with the louver doors, shouldn't matter.
Yeah.